got to come up with the concepts of purity. What do you think?
From a design point of view, we talk about purity in its form and its material.
Yeah.
So let's think of concepts that really let materials shine. The blonde oak collection is definitely adaptable. I think the key in that is the material itself, which is a really light American oak, which can easily be stained, painted, or even left in its natural state with a light oil. So it really can be applied to a lot of different homes for that reason.
We could reflect it through the way people live. So we could go to something that's pure in the city, something that's country, something that's coastal.
Yeah, I love that.
I guess it just sort of shows then different lifestyles.
So we created 3 different styles for this project today. We've got city, coast and country, and they really represent 3 different styles where we see these doors fitting into. So this country home, we really wanted to focus on materials. I've gone with a grey door, which we love. It's just got a really simple light grey stain on it. Yeah, it's come up beautifully, just picking up these tones. I guess that's the main idea with this one. We want it to feel really relaxed and cosy and just rich in its materials. Yeah. I think it looks like a place you want to sit down and hang out and have a cuppa. This one is all about paring it back, bringing it back to nature. It's very much about life on the beach. So white on white with the weatherboard and then just a natural finish door. Surfboards and towels and quoits and of course greenery, because greenery on a doorstep is such a welcoming way to bring guests in. This is literally the front doorstep of a coastal home. This one's all about minimalism really. Slim, straight lines, minimal aesthetic and just letting the door shine. I think that's really all it needs. This is all about celebrating these natural materials and natural textures. So the concrete or a render is typically quite smooth, maybe with a really fine detail, and the door is still expressing the timber texture. We can still see obviously that timber grain coming through, and it's just, I guess, amplified with a really soft charcoal stain. The detail on this blonde oak collection is really quite simple. It doesn't overpower the architectural style of your home, so it means it's easily applied to a lot of different styles. 3 different lifestyles, and the doors actually work perfectly for 3 completely different environments.
The blonde oak collection has been expanded to 11 designs, so you'll have no trouble finding the perfect expression of your own unique style.